Welcome to my lesson on solving equations with multiplication and division. So, like we talked about earlier this week, we can solve equations by undoing addition and subtraction because they are inverse operations of each other. But just like addition and subtraction are inverse operations, so are multiplication and division. So the multiplication property of equality says that as long as I multiply by the same number on both sides, the equations will stay equal to each other. And if I divide by the same number on both sides, they will also stay equal to each other as long as I'm not dividing by 0. So the first example, I have a lot of writing on the screen here, but it's just kind of try to see through the weeds so you can see what it says. So the question says, solve x divided by 3 equals -6. Well, remember, this is dividing by 3. So the inverse of dividing by 3 would be to times by 3 on both sides. Well, then that cancels because dividing by 3 and then multiplying by 3 undoes each other, and that leaves me with x. Well, -6 times 3 has different signs, so that would be -18, and then I can check. -18 divided by 3, yep, that equals -6, so -18 is the solution. Now this one switched around a little bit, but it says 18 equals -4 times y. Well, the inverse of multiplying by -4 would be to divide by -4, and remember, this is the division sign I want you to use. So if I divide by -4 on this side, I also have to divide by -4 on that side. So then the -4's would cancel because multiplying by -4 and then dividing by -4 undoes each other. And then 18 divided by -4, of course, would be -4.5, and I can check that. -4 times -4.5 is +18, so I know that that is the solution. You can pause the video and do these ones on your own, but remember there's a -1 in front of this a. This says -1 times a. To check those answers, for this one you would times by 5 on both sides, and that would give you x equals -10. For this one you would divide by -1 on both sides, and that would give you 24. And for this one you would divide by -1.5 on both sides, and that would give you -2. Now it's going to get a little bit trickier. So I am going to clear ink from this page because I kind of want to explain to you a little bit. So -4/5 times x equals -8. Well, you know, if I'm multiplying by -4/5, that means in order to undo multiplying by -4/5, I'd have to divide by -4/5. But if you remember back when we were learning about dividing fractions, in order to divide fractions, you have to multiply by the reciprocal. So that means to get rid of -4/5, I would have to times by the reciprocal of 5 over -4. So instead of writing out this step, I just skip right to this step and I multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. So then that causes the -4/5 to cancel. And then over here, -8 times 5 over 1 times -4. Well, I can cross cancel the -8 and the -4, and then that leaves me with 2 times 5, which is 10, and 1 times 1, which is 1, which 10 over 1 is just 10. Now, I know that sounds a little strange, but you'll get used to that when we do a few more practice problems. So if I look at this one, you would want to multiply by the reciprocal. So you would times by 3 over 2 on this side, and then times by 3 over 2 on this side. Well, then when you cross cancel some things, you would be left with the right answer. So please try that same thing on those two. Alright, so to check these ones, again, there's lots of writing here, but try to see through the weeds. So when I multiply this times 3 over 2, the 2 and the 14 will cancel, and that leaves you with -21. Again, this one I would multiply by the reciprocal, -5/8, and then there's nothing I can cross cancel on this one, so that gives me -25/8. I can take 8 out of 25 3 times, that leaves me with 1 left over, so it would be -3 1/8. And the last one I times by 8/3 because that's the reciprocal. I can cross cancel the -9 and the 3. That leaves me with -24 over 1, so my answer would be -24. Last up, a real life application. So the record low temperature in Arizona is 1.6 times the record low temperature in Rhode Island. What is the record low temperature in Rhode Island? So the record low in Arizona from this chart tells me it's -40, so I replace that with -40. Is we replace with equals. 1.6 times the record low in Indiana. Well, 1.6 times, and they tell me to use T to the record low in Rhode Island. Then I'm multiplying by 1.6 here, so I'd have to divide by 1.6 on both sides, and that gives me negative 64 is the record low temperature in Rhode Island. So a little recap. Addition is undone by subtraction. Subtraction is undone by addition. Multiplication is undone by division, and division is undone by multiplication. So keep that in mind when we are solving these equations. So first one says, which best explains why you can use multiplication to solve equations involving division? The best answer for this one is the third one. Multiplication is the inverse operation of division, so it can undo division. Second question in your homework is turning a light and then turning the light off are considered inverse operations. Which of the following describe other real-life situations that can be thought of as inverse operations? And the only two that truly would be inverse of each other, one would undo the other one, is this first one and this fourth one down here. And then next question says, describe the inverse operation that will undo the given operation. Well, what undoes multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. Remember, if you have any questions or need any help with this homework assignment, please come during my office hours or send me an email. Have a great day.